I'm Leslie. I live in Hunters Hill with my husband and 2 children, a 15-year-old daughter and a 10-year-old son. We enjoy outdoor life. We're a family who enjoys music, swimming and surfing. Hunters Hill's a nice suburb. We're close to the city here. Easy transport to get out and about and do things. This is our family living room and it's really the hub of our house. It is a bit of a transit area because there are 4 doors. For me, I find the clutter very difficult to look at and the children's toys just seem to be overwhelming. My daughter's very much into art, into painting, sculpturing. It'd be really nice that she has a space to be able to store her gear, as well as have my son in here at the same time being able to play his games. It'd be really good to get a sense of organisation, some great storage, and also to make it feel a little bit cosier.
I was just blown away when I walked in to see the amazing transformation that took place.
We have lots of different textiles in here which creates a warm and cosy feel. We have curtains, we now have different colours. It's really inviting space to be in. The storage systems that IKEA have put in place are wonderful. What we're finding is it can separate Alison and Finlay's toys, and we have far more storage now than we ever had before.
And it was uncluttered.
And uncluttered. I also like the personalisation with lots of the children's artworks.
I also love the wireless chargers for our devices.
Being able to just put your phone in the case and it's going splat and then it just charges.
The spot I like best is just by that window. It's where the outside and the inside comes together. I like playing music and it's a really good spot just to sit and play. IKEA have really done a great job in giving that flexibility in its design.
It's a really cosy living area where we all come together and can enjoy good times.
I can kick back, have a glass of wine as long as I don't spill any, and not allowed to put my head on the new cushions either, but that'll change with time, I'm sure.